Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into the world of digital marketing as I show you how to choose the right keywords for your SEO and PPC campaigns. Selecting the right keywords is the foundation of a successful SEO and PPC strategy. Start by gaining a deep understanding of your target audience. What are their needs, preferences, and pain points? What words or phrases do they use when searching for products or services like yours? Knowing this is key to choosing relevant keywords. Next is utilize keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to discover relevant keywords and phrases. Look for a balance between high search volume and low competition. Long-tail keywords, which are more specific and longer phrases, often bring in highly qualified traffic. Next is to analyze your competitors' websites and ads. Which keywords are they targeting? Are there any gaps or opportunities they might have missed? Learning from your competition can be valuable in keyword selection. Next is to ensure that your chosen keywords align with your content. Your website's pages, blog posts, and ad campaigns should all revolve around these keywords. This alignment not only improves search rankings, but also enhances user experience. In PPC campaigns, don't forget to include negative keywords or terms you don't want your ads to appear for. This helps you avoid irrelevant clicks and wasted ad spend. Next, regularly monitor the performance of your selected keywords and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay updated on industry trends and adapt your keyword strategy as needed. And there you have it! You've just learned how to choose the right keywords for SEO and PPC campaigns. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience, conducting thorough keyword research, analyzing competitors, aligning keywords with content, including negative keywords for PPC, and staying vigilant with optimizations. Before we wrap up, here's a golden nugget of advice. Keyword research is an ongoing process. Keep refining and expanding your keyword list as your business evolves and as search trends change. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to choose the right keywords for SEO and PPC campaigns. See you on my next video.